Today I'm doing a video tutorial on how to get video playback in xLights, basing this on Brad's post in the forum, and just going to take you through some of the steps that we need to do it. First thing we need to understand is what is actually going to happen. We're going to take an MP4 video. I've got one just over on the desktop here. This is the Lego movie one. No sound on Screencast-O-Matic, but that's the video there that we're going to put onto our P10 panels in xLights. First thing we need to look at is where our xLights is actually installed on our computer. Now, fortunately, mine is exactly the same as what Brad's is here, and I've also named all the files exactly the same. Just for ease of presentation. So what I will do is I'll just go and confirm. So I'll just go my computer, C drive, program files, down the bottom to xLights. And the file that we're actually looking for is ffmpeg. This is the latest version of xLights. So that's fine. So I know where my xLights folder is. Just as per his instructions here, open a command prompt window and you'll want to run command something like what is below. I'm using Windows 7. I'm going to hit the Windows button bottom corner. Down in the bottom corner here I'm going to type in CMD, and that will bring my command window up. Because I know my xLights is exactly the same as what's written here, I'm going to select and copy that. Come over here, right click and paste it. You can see that that is actually taking me to my program files xLights folder that I can actually run my next command. I'll just skip over to the next bit here. Basically what's going to happen in the next piece of code is your DOS program is going to access ffmpeg. It's going to look for Lego small.mp4 in C drive temp Lego. It's going to resize it to 160 by 80, which is the size of the matrix that we're using today in the demonstration. Then it's going to, as per down the bottom there, 40 is a resample frame rate, which will be 40 frames per second. And it's going to create a heap of PNG files, which are our image files that we'll be using in xLights. So first thing I want to do is just place my MP4 file into the temporary folder that we've set up already. So I'm going to go C drive, temp. I've got a folder there called Lego, as it's written over here. Lego. I've got a couple of files in there, but the Lego small MP4 is the file that I want in there. I'll just leave that window over there. Right here, get my command prompt up again. Okay, second bit of code, I'm going to copy that, copy, right click, paste. Now, you will see, after I've pasted that, that it has actually taken that, what was it called? It's actually taken that Lego small MP4 video, and it's chopping it up into Lego 1, 2, 3, so on. It's a 2-minute video, so that might take a couple of seconds. We'll just let it run. So, as I said, it's just cutting that video file up into pictures, and that's finished now. So there's actually 6,663 images for this 1:38 clip. Okay, I don't need that anymore. Don't need that. And rid of that. Okay, xLights. xLights down the bottom here. Now in my xLights, I've actually already got my P10 panel set up. Yours will be different. This is based on a 5x5. I'm just going to put my model preview down there. Now to actually get the frames in there, we just use the picture effect. I'm going to drag that up to the line, drop it, and somewhere here we've got our browse folder that we can go and find our pictures. So just go browse, we'll go up to lego1.png, double click, pop that in there, and you can see we've successfully created it. It's ready to go. So basically, if I had a matrix like this set up beside me, I could output to lights and that would play away. That's it.